Hello, good morning. You are welcome back to another series of training on Sinopia. My name is Wada Ibrahim. If you are just coming in, if you are just having encounter for the first time, thank you for coming. Try to subscribe, to click on the subscription button, like the video, so that whenever I post another video regarding training on Sinopia, you will be contacted immediately. Do not forget that we have had a series of training, about 4 instances of the training, and today let me quickly go and give you a highlight of what we intend to do now. We are about going into the practical aspect of data entry into Sinopia link data, into Sinopia editor. First of all, I want you to have a look at this, the structure of data entry in Sinopia. There are about 3 structures, as I told you before. When you pick a monograph like a textbook, there are 3 categories of information that you are expected to provide when you are describing an information item as a cataloger. That is to say, there is an aspect called work, there is an aspect called instance, and there's another aspect called item. Right now, if you carefully look at it, you can see that on the work side, I have decided to bring out, over and above other things, about 27 basic information or data entry fields that you are expected to attend to. About 27 of them, from contribution to title of the information to form of work, down to the summary, and to the end you can see has B-frame instance. This is where the linking of the data come in. We shall be talking about it, and as you can see, has B-frame instance. If you look at it together instance, you see has item, and so also you can also look at how the item is here. So the work will be linked to the instance, and the instance will be linked to the items, and that is how the data will be linked. Now, this part or portion of the training is to let you know that there are two ways or two channels through which you can provide data entry into the linked data database. You can use literals and you can use lookups. So when you see literals, this is the type of information that you provide by yourself from the items of the information. And when you talk about lookups, these are the vocabulary that use the information or data that have already been provided, or any other information that you need from vocabulary, controlled vocabulary, that you may have, that you think will help you in the cataloging of the information item. So you look up means that search, whereas the literals also mean that you provide the information or the data by yourself. So now, if the information that you are providing or the data that you want to enter already exists, provided by you under the literal, you can quickly take it up and add to what you want to do. Now, in lookups, it can take you to Library of Congress, it can take you to a resource description and access database, and other databases that are available to catalogers online. So that is the most interesting thing about this Sinopia data entry. Now, I want to also bring your attention to this fact. You see, some of you that are already familiar with Koha, you know that in Koha you have Mark 21. In this Mark, as a standard, you have forms. You have form, and each form that you open is a template. And within that template there are fields. Field mean where you can type something. A column that allows you to type something. or to import something and import data into it. It's the same thing with the Sinopia editor. And those of you that are familiar with Newjelib, I am always mentioning Koha and Newjelib because they are the most popular integrated library management system mostly used in Nigeria. Now, the difference between Koha and Sinopia, or the difference between the Newjelib and Sinopia, is that all of us that are using Newjelib and data Koha have our database installed in our libraries. You can do maybe network connection, maybe remote connection. That's a different thing. But Sinopia is web-based. It's hosted on the cloud. And the fact I want you to pay attention to is that they are all form, they are all having templates, and they are all having forms, and all you need to do is to fill in the form. So this is the information, the data, the fields that are available. There are many other. I've just decided to show you these basic ones that are available under work, and these are the fields that are available under the instance, and this is the kind of information that is available under item. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'm going to open by the next round of the training. Now I'm going to open the browser, connect to the internet, go to the website, the Sinopia website, and then we can do something better. Thank you.